Good morning, guys, and thank you again for joining me for our another virtual house tour. And today, I'm going to show you this property located here in Cubao, Quezon City. So, bago natin explore yung bahay, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung location. Okay, so this property po is located here in Mariposa Street in Cubao. And then dito is EDSA. This is EDSA and this is Cubao area. And here is a San Juan. So ayan yung Robinsons Magnolia, Gilmore. Okay, dito naman is Crame. Here's the Ortigas. And then White Plains. And dito naman sa bandang dito is New Manila. Okay. Ito, papunta na ito ng north. And then andito yung Quezon Memorial Circle. Okay, so andito lang siya. Okay, so then, explore na po natin yung ating property dito na for sale. So, nag-iisa na lang po ito. So, tignan muna natin sa labas ng kanyang kabuuan ng bahay. Okay? So, ito na po yun. This one dito sa left side, sold out na. This is a duplex po siya. So, here, ito yung available. This is a 4-story. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with a floor area po niya is nasa 484.59 square meters. Lot area niya is 150 square meters. So, okay, pasok na po tayo. And here, upon entry, so andito yung ating 4-car garage. So, ayan yung garahe natin. And this is our gate, which is fully automated. And dito sa dulo naman is our service area. And we have our rooms here for maids and for our driver's quarter. We also have it here. And then dito naman is we have access po papunta sa ating second floor sa living area para hindi na siya dadaan ng main entrance. And dito naman sa bandang gitna, we have here space for installation ng elevator kasi since 4-story nga siya, para hindi tayo mapagod akit baba, pwede tayo mag-install ng lift dyan. Okay, and here is our main entrance. So upon entry naman dito, so yung ating main door is naka-digital lock na po. And this is mga wood planks natin, ayan, ng ating stairs. Napakalinis at shiny. Ang ganda po niya tignan. Okay, and then welcome to second floor. Okay, so dito naman po is open layout lang siya. So, ayan. This is fully furnished. So, lahat ng makikita mo dito, fully air-conditioned na, table, couch, and yung installed na, anong tawag nito, range hood, and yung built-in cooktop ay kasama na po. And then, ito yung kanyang kitchen. Meron siyang kitchen island, dining, living. And here, pansinin nyo ang ganda ng kanyang ceiling dito, no? Yan. Parang wood accent siya. And then dito, we also have our utility kitchen. Yan. And then, you also have, ito yung access kanina sa baba. Yung stairs dito paakyat sa second floor. And we also have our powder room dito. Okay. And then, sa third floor naman po, let's go to third floor. Ayun. So, dito. So, ang ganda. Meron, ayan o, meron siyang table dito. Ayan, kita may labas. Maliwanag kasi ang dami niyang bintana at malalaki. Anyway, every floor may balcony din. Kaya, ayun, maliwanag talaga siya. So, ito yung another room here. Okay. Ayan siya. Meron siyang toilet and bath dito. And then dito, pwede kayong maglagay ng walk-in closet. Okay. And then, here naman is the master's bedroom. Dito. Sa second floor. I mean, third floor. So, ayan. Ang laki, no? So, here is your balcony. May sarili kang balcony. So, ayan ang kanyang ceiling. Okay, this is your bed and your couch. And dito naman is your toilet and bath. So, you also have your walk-in closet here. Ayan, napakadami mong malagyan. And then, double sink, your shower, and your bowl. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng kanyang tiles. Okay? And then, let's go to 4th floor. So, sa 4th floor, we have our 2 rooms there naman at saka yung ating open area. So, explore natin. Ang ganda ng ano ito yung hallway. See, ganda. And then, yung tignan nyo dito, pansinin nyo yung ating, yan o, ang ganda. Ano ba tawag yun? Parang French style na mirror para malaki yung space tignan. Here is our open area here. Yan, pansinin nyo, ang ganda, no? You also have your toilet and bath here. Dito, meron ditong storage. Pwede kayo dito mag-breakfast or dinner. Ayan, ang ganda. City living. So, ayan yung mga buildings. So, very ideal ito sa mga negosyante na dito lang nakatira. Or, I mean, dito yung business malapit. Or sa mga family na malapit sa lahat ang gusto. Ayan. So, dito sa 4th floor, we have 2 rooms. Ito yung isa. Ayan, ito yung kanyang balcony. And then, meron din siyang toilet and bath. And then, yung other room naman, nandito sa gitna, ito yung kanyang closet. Dito yung isa pang kwarto. Yan, dito sa gitna. So, it also has toilet and bath. Okay? So, thank you so much po sa inyong panunood sa akin. And if you want to see this house, i-treating po namin kayo dito, just message po. Thank you so much.